What's up, SkittleFabs fans? How are you guys doing? So today, I just got the email notification from FedEx Home Delivery that my bottom end rebuild's here and it's at Walgreens just waiting for me to go sign for it, pick it up, so on my way. So I only got one box. I'm hoping it's the rebuild kit plus my wheel bearing. I don't know, I'm not gonna sit and open it inside of Walgreens because there's so many fucking popcorns in there, so I'm gonna go home and we're gonna unbox. There it is, guys. So we're gonna crack it open. I'm gonna show you each part to this rebuild. And hopefully we find my wheel bearing in here also. So these are all the crank bearings, OEM crank bearings. See, 2 to each box. So those are regular standard size bearings for my crank. And then right here, connecting rods, the Eagle. I'll get something to open that. Okay, just say cut right there. These are the Eagle rods. Awesome. Stickers and lubricant. There they are. Brand new. Looking beautiful. I'm gonna set up a light for you guys. Alright, now we're back with the light. Awesome. So guys, these are my Eagle connecting rods. Obviously there's 4 in here because this the 4-cylinder. Duh. So back here we have the rest of those. What's this? Doesn't say on the box, but we'll just open it because we all like stuff that's in boxes. Alright, so those also go to the crank also. I can't tell you exactly what they are because I've never rebuilt a motor. But trust me guys, I will be watching this guy build my motor, whoever I decide to let build my motor. So that goes to the oil filter area and probably some sort of seal. So another one of those. Let's see what this is. These are my pistons, my JE pistons. Let's see if we can get this open with one hand. I do want to check all this stuff out. So those are the rings. These are the pistons. I know you guys probably want to see what the pistons look like. So do I. So I'll make sure I put a clip in there for you guys so you guys can see that. And then these are probably the connecting things that connect the piston to the rod. What else is in here? I think this is my wheel bearing, but I'm not sure. We'll see. There we go. Yep, there's my wheel bearing, guys. So I'll be doing a video for you guys on how to change your wheel bearing. There it is. There's my water pump. And then over here I have my bed plate to block gasket. Like I said guys, I've never rebuilt the motor, but this is awesome! Smash the like button, guys. Please subscribe. Until next time, peace.